It's Memorial Day and I took the drone out, and I'm happy because DJI's Nanny State, when I say Nanny State, that's the DJI has throttled back drone users so you can't fly in a certain area. So if the Cubs are playing or the White Sox are playing, it's like a 50-mile square radius. I think it's actually 10 miles or who knows, but I'm so far away from both of those stadiums, but they won't let you fly, and they have a restriction. So for some reason it let me fly today. I don't think there's a Cubs game. Who knows? But it let me fly, so I came down here to fly, and I'm happy. I'm happy because it's a nice day. It's perfect flying conditions. Oop, there it is. So I'm gonna put some shots in here, and you can look and see what I've been practicing. If we ever go to Paris, you can climb the Eiffel Tower. You get some practice here.